Welcome back. Now let's check in with Matt from Four Seasons Sunrooms.
What's the difference between a 3-season and a 4-season sunroom?
So essentially the difference between a 4-season sunroom and your traditional seasonal sunrooms are a permanent heating source. You get to enjoy this 365 days a year. When it's snowing, when it's raining, when it's really cold outside, as you can see the snow behind us, that's really the true benefit.
I'd love to add a sunroom to my house, but I'm not sure if I have enough space.
So if you're in the market looking and researching, sunrooms and additions, you're gonna see a lot of images that show a lot of bigger homes, a lot of big properties, and you might be thinking to yourself, you know what, maybe our property just isn't really designed to have an extension like this built on. And that's not necessarily true. If you look behind me, you see that this is relatively a small property. It's actually a semi-detached home with not a lot of space. But what we've done here is a small extension with a creative element to it in terms of opening it up to the rest of the kitchen, to the home, to really flood this area with natural light. So just because you have a small property doesn't mean you can't do something really spectacular with a wow factor to it that's going to bring natural light into your home, which is so beneficial for you, especially in the winter months.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.